नमस्कार, स्वागत है आपका इस एपिसोड में। इस एपिसोड में मैं आपको ले आया हूँ वाराणसी में और दिखाने वाला हूँ यहाँ का एक 5 स्टार होटल। अब ये एपिसोड अगर आप वाराणसी जाने वाले हैं तो ज़रूर देखें, और अगर नहीं भी जाने वाले हैं तो कभी तो आप जा ही सकते हैं, इसलिए आप ये एपिसोड तब भी देख लें, क्योंकि हो सकता है कि आपको ये होटल सिलेक्शन में ये एपिसोड हेल्प करे। तो फिलहाल मैं आपको जहां लेके जा रहा हूं ये है होटल रिवाटास। अब ये होटल है यहाँ के कैंट एरिया के अंदर, और ये होटल आपको कंसीडर करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए, ये चॉइस आपकी ज़रूर रहेगी। तो फिलहाल देखते हैं इस होटल में क्या है और करते हैं होटल रिवाटास का होटल रिव्यू। तो चलिए देखते हैं हाउ इज होटल रिवाटास और क्या ये कंसिडरेबल ऑप्शन है या नहीं।
Okay, so here we are at Varanasi, and the place that I'm staying right now is Hotel Rivatas. This is at Varanasi Cantt. So this is one of the finest properties, that I've been staying in. So let's have a room tour, and let me take you through the room. So the room that I've got over here is a suite. So let's do a room tour, and this is going to give you an idea how exactly the suite looks. So we're surely going to help you in decision making. Let's have a look at it. Okay, so this looks a pretty good room size. The bed is queen size, which is a good one. Got an LCD TV as well, and so you have this room as well, which is in which you have these wardrobes. So you've got this press as well, and they look a bit old though, but still okay. So you have this safe as well, looks good to me. Okay, so you have a drawer which is here, and a laundry bag as well. So you have these mirrors over there. So this is the master bedroom, or the main bedroom over here, and this is basically the dining area, you can say, or the place wherein you can unwind. And you have another TV over here, so you have two TVs. So one is right next to the dining table where you can enjoy the TV, and another one in the bedroom. So I'm with Rajesh. He's one of the person that you should look for whenever you're coming to the restaurant over here at Rivatas. So he's the one, the gentleman. His name is Rajesh.
Rajesh Singh.
Rajesh Singh. So he would be the right person to contact in case you need anything in F&B. So fantastic person. So do look for Rajesh whenever you enjoy the food over here.
So it's time for final verdict. Let me divide my verdict in 4 important parameters. The first one is hotel facilities, second one hotel location, third one food and beverage, and fourth one staff and service. So on the first parameter it scores well. The second parameter location, it's also pretty good. Talking about food and beverage, they are also good. But talking about staff and service, I'm not that satisfied. So this is the parameter which lacks. So overall, I will give this property the score of 8 out of 10. I hope that you have liked this video. If you did, do subscribe to this channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. I'll be back with more travel, shopping and food videos shortly. Till then, do take care of yourself and my best wishes.